think it's starting. Stay calm, we'll guide you.
Every year, millions of women go through this moment. But what really happens inside the body during childbirth? These contractions slowly open the cervix, a process called dilation. As dilation increases, the baby begins to descend deeper into the birth canal.
I can feel pressure. That means the baby is moving down.
Labor begins when the uterus starts contracting, rhythmically tightening to prepare for birth. These contractions are helping your baby move down.
The body is working in perfect coordination, muscles, hormones, and nerves all playing their part. Your body knows exactly what to do.
Key developments included full dilation 10 centimeters, stronger and more frequent, the baby rotating through the pelvis. Intense pressure stage, the urge to push. Transition phase, the most intense part.
The baby rotates naturally to fit through the pelvis. This is one of the most complex movements in human biology.
The baby is turning perfectly. My water just broke. That's completely normal.
But sometimes things don't go exactly as planned.
The baby's heart rate is dropping slightly.
Is everything okay?
Now, push when you feel the urge. I can't, it's too much. You're doing great, keep going. Sarah, we need one strong push now. That's it, Sarah, that's it. Warrior one, warrior one. And finally, with one last push, the baby is born. You did it.
And finally, with one last push, the baby is born.
You did it! But the process isn't over yet. The body must still deliver the placenta.
One more small push. Childbirth is one of the most powerful processes in the human body. The real question is, what happens when something goes wrong?